The year was 1911, the date February 12th, and in a tiny village called Denamstel in the colony of British Guiana, South America, a charismatic congregational minister, J.T. Isaacs, and his wife, Victorine, a pharmacist, gave birth to a baby girl they named Lucille.
This is Headliners and Legends.